In this video of Bootstrap, we'll start working with the labels. Basically, whenever you want to show some information out there in the web page, so you can go for label, and here Bootstrap will give you a label class for setting a label over your web page. Like we were getting the different classes for the different appearances in button, here also you will get the similar things, like you will get the classes like for information, warning, default and some others. So let's see what is all here for the label class in Bootstrap. So when I say label, basically we don't have a label tag here in HTML, but using the class label of Bootstrap, we can make any span as a label. After that, you can see there is one more class called label default. That simply means, like as we have already done with the buttons, with the text, where we find the different contextual colors for the different purpose. Here I am using label default. Now the purpose of this particular example is, like when you will see there is a h1 tag and after that we are putting a label. So basically when you use any paragraph tag or something, it takes a complete width of the page. But when you use span along with a label, it will just take the width of the character, and the size of this particular text will be similar to that of h1 or h2 or h3, doesn't matter which particular tag it is getting used. So when I'll execute, you will find that example heading, and right after that you will find there is a label, and as I said, it will just occupy the same amount of area where the text is located, and the size is according to the headings. So apart from the label default, you can use some other colors as well, as we have already done with the buttons, like label default, primary, success, info, warning and danger. So we know, like we will get some bluish color, some orange color, some danger color for red. So here are the different examples, different colors which are available. So here in this previous example, we only use default. So this is the default label color and rest are here. So accordingly, as per your requirement, you can choose your class and can start working on it.